Ikaze kuri Igasha TV aho tuganira ku vyerekeye ubuzima muri rusangi ariko na cane ubuzima bw'abamama b'abarundikazi, abanyarwandakazi, abanyafrika eka mbese aho baherereye hatandukanye ku isi. Uyu munsi nkuko mwabibonye muri titre ni Congereza, tubwira dukore video yacu mu Congereza, ariko ntimugire ikibazo ku batumva ururimi rw'icongereza, tuzogerageza kubasigurira munsi muri description. Impamvu nuko umutumire wacu nkuko mubibona uyu munsi sindi je nyene ndafise umutumire wacu yumva yosigura neza ivyo ashaka kuvuga mu Congereza. Mwihangane rero, ufise ico abaza ni muri commentaire, murashobora no kuduhamagara canke mukatwandikira kuri WhatsApp kuri iyo numero iri hasi. Hanyuma ntimwibagire kugira like, share, musangize ivyo mwigira ngaha abandi. Hanyuma reka umutumire wacu tumwakire yivuge, umuntu akuza ntibamuvuga izina.
Thank you. My name is Emeline Uwizeye and I'm a content creator. So you can also go and check my channel. It's Emmy's Magnet and I'm happy to be here.
So thank you, Emeline.
We are going to be talking about something that most of us are more familiar with because both of us are mothers, and we are going to be talking about motherhood. Yeah, and just to be sure of what we are going to say, of course we know them, but we just have a little notes for us to remember everything because we want to give you full package. Yes.
This is like a video you have been thinking about for so long, and we have been living this for the last 2 years, and for her
for the last 11 months.
11 months. But I also have another experience before that, and that's the first point of our video today. Those things we wish we could know before becoming a mother. And when we are talking about motherhood, it doesn't start from giving birth. It starts way before that.
Just as she said, it starts actually from the moment you know that you are expecting a child. Yeah, it's not easy. As many pregnancies might go well, not all pregnancies goes well. And I think my friend here has the best explanation about that.
So yes, all pregnancies don't go well. So I didn't know that I could lose my child, but I wish I could, like I had known before that such things happen. So maybe I could have handled it better. Yeah, so that's I think it's the very first point we wanted to discuss in our video.
Yeah, sure, because as to me, because I got pregnant after her, so from her I got to know that I have to be careful in each and everything I do. Check-ins for the doctor's appointment was like on point just because of her experience. So mothers out there, yes, you have to check in with the doctor each and every month, just for your own sake and for your child's sake. And going on, something that is so, I think, common to any mother, not even a new mom, it's sleep deprivation.
Yes, the sleep deprivation.
Well,
for me, I haven't slept for a whole year. Like when my second daughter was born, I spent like a whole year without sleeping at all. Like I could sleep like 2 or 3 hours a day, and I had to work in the morning.
Yeah, sure. For me, it's another kind of case because I don't know. I sleep, but I don't sleep. It's like I'm 50-50 sleeping because anything small that touches me, I'm up and I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
I wish I knew that I could not sleep the way I used to sleep. So ladies out there who don't have kids yet, sleep. It's your moment to shine.
Don't expect to sleep as the baby sleeps, as many of your friends or your parents will tell you that you have to sleep when the baby sleeps, but it doesn't work like that.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Who will do the rest of the work? Because there is laundry, there is cooking, there are so many other things that once the baby is down sleeping, your mind clicks to them and you just have to do them. And
you even like enjoy spending that time answering to your messages or watching a movie just when the baby sleeps, enjoying that peace.
Yeah.
So you can sleep when the baby sleeps. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah, talking about that, because that's when the me time comes in, when the baby sleeps. And to be honest, I never understood the meaning of me time before I had a kid, because me time, every time was me time.
Yeah, before.
But now, yes, I need to have my special time when the baby's sleeping. I have to watch a movie. I have to, even if it's just sitting, relaxing, answering my messages, it's enough. It's my me time and I use it. So I wish I knew that me time would be hard for me to get.
Yeah, at some point you even wish, like, if someone could come and take my baby for 2 days so that I go somewhere, relax, have that massage, pedicure, manicure, and all those nice things for yourself. But like when you leave home, even if you get that someone to help you, when you leave home, you will just you'll be thinking about your baby the whole day long. There is that constant fear.
Yeah.
Maybe my baby is not, or maybe if she's not crying, maybe she's not breathing.
I'm telling you, even when the baby doesn't cry, you get scared. Why is this baby not crying?
Yeah.
And for newborns, I think it's a special kind of thinking, because you don't know what they need. They can't communicate, and you just have to figure out. So the process of you figuring out brings that fear. If you are doing the right thing, you don't know if you are doing the right thing or the wrong thing, because the person you are taking care of can't tell, yes, mommy, this is how you are supposed to do it. No.
But again, the other point is there is no right answer.
Yeah.
Every baby is unique.
Yeah, every baby is unique, because you will get advices from your sisters, your uncles, even people who don't know anything about babies.
Children.
Yeah, about children. They will give you a lot of information.
Yeah.
But trust me, your baby, you are the master.
Yeah.
Because you know them better than anyone, better than even any doctor that can advise you to do anything, because you sleep with them, you spend most of your time with them.
You have carried them.
Yeah.
They are part of you.
Exactly.
Yeah. You are the best to know what is best for your children.
Yeah.
What is best for your baby. Don't let anyone makes you feel you are not doing the right thing, or you are not doing it the right way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. And something maybe I should mention, I wish I knew that I could become so caring, so considering, because I'm a changed person. I'm a new version, a better version of myself.
Yeah.
I care about people whom maybe I'm not even supposed to care about. I don't know about you, how it's going.
People you don't even know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just become more compassionate, more kind, more loving, more caring, and that's the positive things that we have, like our babies have brought to our lives.
Yeah.
I really like it. I like the person I have become.
Yeah. I also like the version I have become, because I think it's 100% better than I was.
Yeah. And again, patience.
Yeah. Oh man. The baby will cry, but you will hold it, like you will take care of the baby, however much the baby is crying, with a special kind of treat, without you getting over your head. I mean, I didn't have all that patience.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think regardless of what we go through as mothers, the hardship, our babies also teach us how to live and appreciate each and every moment we spend with them.
Yeah, actually, we teach our babies all about life, but they teach us what life is all about. Yeah, I have become more patient, even if, like, even at work, in the bus, with the maids. So we've become like better persons.
Yeah, better
Yeah.
versions of ourselves. So guys, it's a motherhood thing. It's a full-time job, but find time to enjoy with your babies. Find time to enjoy with your husbands, because however much we become mothers, we are also like supposed to balance our life well. Yeah, that's what society requires us to do.
I think
So-
we'll make a video on that. So
Yeah,
you shouldn't be talking a lot about that.
Yeah, sure.
We will make another video on that.
Yeah.
And the other point, before we forget, is holidays. Mothers never go on vacation. They just go to take care of their babies in another place.
Yeah.
You can ask her, she's on vacation now, but ask her, at what time do you wake up again?
Well, at 6:30 in the morning, not
Yeah.
in the afternoon. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's a full-time job and yeah, a permanent job.
Yeah. But actually we enjoy it. Like, we enjoy every step, every little step we take with our children. Sometimes it's hard, but we really enjoy it. We are growing together with our babies. When we are saying babies are all different, they are unique, don't be afraid if your baby is not walking at 1 year, like mine, or your baby is not having teeth, like hers.
Yeah, that's for sure, because unfortunately this comes from our fellow mothers. When they see us and they are like, oh, your child doesn't crawl yet, your child doesn't walk yet, how come they are big enough to be doing this and this? Those milestones come in a different
We
way.
have enjoyed this video. I don't know about you, but me, I enjoyed receiving my guest here. Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
And the advice we could maybe give you, never be afraid or feel bad asking for help.
Oh yeah.
A mother always needs help, and we really appreciate all those nice people who helped us. It wasn't easy, and I think you should let those people who want to support, who want to help, just help you.
Yeah, that's true.
So thank you. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And if you have anything like an addition or suggestion, if it can't be public, just put it on WhatsApp on this number below. And thank you for watching. See you next time in the next video. Bye. Bye.